Hey everyone, Chlorine King here. Today I'm going to show you how tips and the process I use to get a Riptide bag onto a Riptide vacuum head. Some people had difficulty with this in the beginning, especially with the new bag, but I'm going to show you what I do anyways to help this process go a little easier. So the first thing you want to look at is this indentation that's cut out here. That's where the lip of the vacuum head, this right here, is going to sit in. And so what I like to do is start here at the 12 o'clock position and make sure it's nice and seated in there, and I literally just fold the orange ring around and you just heard it click. So now you know you're good to go. Keep in mind this will be a little more difficult with a brand new bag, but as long as you use that process, it'll help get this bag on here correctly. And don't push too far down and wrap that indentation I showed you in the beginning over the lip and to where it's underneath it, because then it's very difficult to get this bag off. So hopefully this helps you guys out. Stay tuned for more videos and like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.